Right, you might remember this drawing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take this and basically make a laser engraver or a laser cutter do all of the work for you on this thing. It's kind of a cool deal. Learned how to do all of this on YouTube. Turns out that's where I learned how to do most of the things I want to know how to do. It's a pretty good tool. So here's what you need to do to make a laser engraver do the work for you. Number one thing, I want to get rid of all of this stuff. I don't want to have to work with it later. So I'm going over here and I'm going to delete some things. Getting rid of those things. Then I am going to export this as a PDF. I'm going to give it a super cool name like Ear Saver for Face Masks. You like that one? Pretty clever, I know. Hit save. And then I'm going to go into a different software known as Adobe Illustrator. So once I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and place my file, and I am going to be looking at Ear Saver for Face Mask, PDF, and I'm going to place that guy. So it comes out exceptionally large, and that's okay. I'd rather have too big than too small. I'm going to hit embed. And I'm also going to release a mask. I don't like this big blue thing around that. So I'm going to hit release mask. Click over here. Click on the mask. Wrong mask. Nice. Right, now each one of these things is isolated. The only thing that I need is this guy right here to make a cut. So that means I'm going to select this one and delete those things out. I'm going to select this guy and just get him into a better spot on the sheet of paper. And so I can see things a little better. Zoom it in. So you might recognize that. That's my design that I created in Autodesk Inventor. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change what's known as the stroke. So right now you can see it's a black line, and actually it's a lot of black lines. So I'm going to select that entire thing, and I am going to change what's known as the stroke color. Lasers recognize the color red. Changing that to a red. And they also recognize size. 0.028 is what our laser is going to engrave best to. And now this is something that will cut out of a sheet of acrylic. Gonna hit File, Print. Send that to the Universal Laser System. Switch over into the laser. See that it's going to cut. I'm going to tell it what it's working with right here. It's not working with a piece of walnut. We're working with a piece of plastic, acrylic, cast acrylic. Depth of that, as you know, 0.125. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video popping up on the center of your screen, we'll show you our laser engraver cutting this part and many other parts out of a sheet of acrylic. Thank you so much for watching. If you've appreciated this content, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.